Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my investment move channel. The reason why I created the channel is to record my investments um, and see if poor middle class person is able to become rich by investing in the stock market and the crypto market by using their income as a form of initial investment. So today I want to follow up on one of my investment moves and is Bitcoin Cash. Let me see if I can highlight it because it's gonna look cooler. Bitcoin Cash. So I want to see how this project has performed for the past 3 months, and it's looking good. We bought it on $96, and we peaked at $162. But that's just in the short term. We found support at between 111 to 116. We found new support for the 3 months, and we've been trying to reach the new higher levels since then. So the bullish button is very weak and you can turn around at any time. Very, very risky to day trade it, I think. I'm not a day trader. Um, so I'm mostly a long-term investor. And what I am saying now is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Okay? Entertainment purposes only. And if you are entertained, let me know. If you are not entertained, let me know. So, as we can see, it's not too much. This is not rocket science. This project, a little bit about this project. This project is a cryptocurrency. It's a currency is being used everywhere in the planet. Um, it's the currency of the internet peer-to-peer network. Actually, this already valuable project started Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash City. Believe it or not, we're gonna have a Bitcoin Cash City, and that will add more value to an already valuable project. So, in the past 3 months, it's looking it's looking all right. We're still bearish. We're still bearish, and we're not gonna become bullish until we get a new support line, 100, 150 to 160. When we create a new support line at 160, um, yeah, let me see if I can make this bigger. Yeah. Yeah, when we create a new support line at 160, how it's marking here, that means that we have a lot of strength to reach the average price of $220, which creates a new bullish pattern for Bitcoin Cash. In the short term, right now on a swing trade, I wouldn't swing trade this project um, because might lose money. I think the swing traders, what they are trying to do is trying to get this project at 111 or below that. to swing trade the project all the way to 150. You know, it's not marking in a week, but in the month, you can see how it goes almost to 150. So a swing trader will do that. That makes sense to do risky, but that makes sense. And day trader, you know, um, they they just they just look up. They need something more professional than what I am seeing right here in order for them to day trade and make money out of these uh, cryptocurrency. So, but for a long-term trader like myself, this is good enough. And as we can see, as we can see here, we did find new support. We have a weak bullish pattern formation in the 3 months from the lowest low. We found we found support at 111 to 116. We tried to break up. This was just a pump that was created. It's not organic. I don't see this to be organic. Yeah, I don't see organic. This was just a pump, but but in the 3 months I see organic growth, and is it looked good. Very weak pattern. You want to be a long-term investor, or invest in any in cryptocurrency or stock. Talk to a financial advisor. You want to do it by yourself, I don't recommend it. Before I decided to do this, I read some books from I use Audible. And I purchased some books for investment, and so it's mostly a mental game, and by strong companies, strong projects. If you new to investing, instead of try to day trade and compete with these other guys that have years investing. And this is I look at this as a way of how smart you other opponent. When you day trade, you have to outsmart other people that have a different investment plan that might affect yours. But on the long term, when I see that in the long term, it's just to find strong companies, strong projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dash, even though some people might not agree, and hold them. That's for me personally. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This is not a financial advice channel. Uh, and and I noticed that a lot of people are coming to YouTube to find financial advice, of to gain inspiration from YouTubers who are doing the same thing that I'm doing. But I do not recommend it. I mean, you can get entertained, but do not follow what we do here, because every person have a different intention. For example, me, I'm making these YouTube videos, get some followers, subscribe, make some money, and at the same time invest in YouTube and record, entertain everybody, and record my investment moves, and pretty much it. But I'm not asking anybody to follow my investment, because I am not a financial advisor. I'm not professional. If you ever do this, it's gonna be at your own risk. You know. So when it comes to this project, everything is looking good for me. In my own opinion, mostly in the 3 months. In 1 year, it only records the impact that we took. Uh, I'm not I'm not matching this project with Bitcoin. A lot of other YouTubers are doing the same thing, trying to compare both. This is a hard fork from Bitcoin, but I'm not matching that. I am trying to see the history chart of this project for its own and what is capable to deliver and at what prices. I think that makes more sense for me than try to match it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is its own beast, and it does what Bitcoin do, and Bitcoin is a great investment as well for me to do. So I definitely have some uh, positions in there. But for Bitcoin Cash right now, I think this is a weak recovery pattern with a little bit of pump, which always gonna occur. And yeah, it happens also in the stocks. See them pumping and dumping, but it looks great in the long term. That's I think I'm repeating myself. It looks great in the long term. It's very nice to see this project doing a recovery, and I'm not gonna mark it as bullish until we find a new support line. We have the support line of $96, $98, right? Um, 111 dollars. Between 111 to 116 dollars support line. But we need to find that third support line that will put this project into bullish um, pattern, which is the 150 to 160. When we find support line at 150 or 160, that means that average price, which is in the 200s, is coming in soon. It's coming in hot for me, and I'm very excited to see it go back to what it was before, and then let's see what 2023 will do, if we're gonna do a retracement back again to bottom, or we are going to rip from there. And so now again, um, this is a good investment for me. I'm very excited for Bitcoin Cash, and I also am happy to see that they are starting a Bitcoin Cash city, and see where that leads us, and see where that lead us. And yeah, pretty much it. Again, thank you for listening to and clicking on my video. Please subscribe, and peace.